Meet the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, which wants to start a fight with the recently revealed next-gen Toyota RAV4. And this time, Mazda has come prepared. You want hybrid powertrains? You got them. So, what's new? There's a more chiseled front-end design, a bolder grille, and angular headlights with stepped LEDs, inspired by Mazda's larger CX-70 and CX-90 models. Even the badging at the back has been swapped for big Mazda lettering, in case you forget what you're driving. Mazda's designers have gone for evolution, not revolution here, so the familiar CX-5 shape remains, but everything's been tightened up. Along with the sharper new suit, it has a more family-friendly vibe and wider rear doors designed to make getting people and child seats in and out much easier. Plus, it's got a bigger boot and a larger tailgate opening and enough USB-C ports to charge a small army of devices. The new seats look pretty schmick, as does the top-spec leather upholstery, but you can bet your bottom dollar base grades will get cloth seats. That said, the steering wheel has upmarket optics and should be offered as standard across the range, complete with a new control system. The fancy new 15.6-inch touchscreen that dominates the dashboard features Google's ecosystem with built-in maps, music and voice commands on US versions. It's joined by a sleek digital instrument cluster and a head-up display, which looks like a big step up from its predecessor. Size-wise, the new CX-5 has grown in every direction compared to its forebear. Now, it's longer and wider. That means more legroom and headroom for rear seat occupants. And in terms of powertrains, just one engine type has been confirmed for Australia at this stage. Mazda's trusty 2.5-litre four-cylinder Sky Active G engine returns for active duty, but at this stage it appears to be detuned, down 8 kilowatts and 10 newton metres. It's paired to a 6-speed auto and all-wheel drive, and while it does come with hybrid power, you'll have to wait a while. Mazda has confirmed that the US market will get its new hybrid powertrain in 2027, dubbed Sky Active Z, but Mazda Australia hasn't given us a release date yet. At first glance, it's a little sharper, a little bigger, and a little more tech-heavy than the one it replaces. But is the new 2026 Mazda CX-5 a game-changer? In a segment dominated by cars like the Toyota RAV4 and Hyundai Tucson, both with solid hybrid options, will it be enough to keep Mazda's bestseller front of mind? What do you think of the new CX-5? Will you wait for the delayed hybrid powertrain in Australia, or just jump into the petrol model? Have your say in the comments below.